expressing, and with.
和
Level, HSK1. Use listing. When listing out multiple nouns,
和
is there to help you out. Just remember that.
和
Isn't a word you can use to translate just any usage of the English word. The most common way to express, and in Chinese is with.
和
This is important to note that
和
is mainly used to link nouns. Don't try to link verbs or whole sentences with.
和
Structure, noun 1 plus.
和
Plus noun 2. Just to be absolutely clear what we mean by using.
和
With nouns only, here are 2 English examples of what you should and shouldn't try to express with.
和
Correct usage, you and I / the boss likes coffee and tea. Incorrect usage, I eat and sleep. Cross mark.
我吃饭和睡觉。
Examples. You and I,
你和我，
mom and dad,
妈妈和爸爸，
teacher and student,
老师和学生，
me and my friend,
我和我的朋友，
he and she,
他和他，
book and pen,
书和笔，
summary use.
和
To connect nouns, and remember that it is not used to connect verbs or full sentences.